Should I for all of love my fight and delight to chase a fader in the wind? Within the glow that waves a clock of delight, that moving straight and has no end. For many hours and days that pass I've assumed the tides have caused the flayed them. At last their arms are straight and hand to the loom. Is this the end or just beginning? Oh my love, oh my love, and oh my love to you. Oh my love, oh my love, and oh my love to you. These razors touches made in again. One voice is clear born singing. From there we are, to sustain. For me the clock is more spanking. Yeah, oh my love, oh my love, and oh my love to you. Oh my love, oh, 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 oh my love to you. There is a clock, my name don't have that system. This is the force alive thinking. There is a fire we can act. This is a fade.